viewers from my country and outside of country. Today I would like to show you different type of activities of this university. First of all, I would like to inform you that the administrative authority of this university is arranging 2024 and 25 admission test in this year. So a lot of students from different places are coming to this university for taking the admission test. You know that among them some of few, especially or differently able, blind, disabled, physically handicapped students will come to this university for taking admission test. Also different type organization, physically challenged development foundation PDF is arranging for helping them in different types, such as taking seat and guideline to the test building. So dears, the authority of this university to this year has already divided the examination system in 5 divisions: Dhaka, Rajshahi, Khulna and Chittagong. They are divided 3 units, exam center, such as B unit, A unit and C unit. Today's exam is B unit. Different type of disabled person is coming here and they are ready to help them. So we can say they are fully helping minded when. So dears, if you are interested to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click all button, such as I will try to show you such this video in next time.